If you'd like to see these guys help me decorate, just keep watching.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
And boy, did I need help. Welcome to my new channel, Weekends with Mimi. Well, this little guy was so helpful. He decided that I was breaking too many ornaments, so he stepped in and decided, hey, I'm going to help her because she is so clumsy. So he took his little time and started helping me decorate my tree. I'm so thankful. And this little guy, he was hiding in the tree and he caught my next ornament that I was about to drop, and he just kind of laughed at me. And this one here winked his eye and told me, don't worry, he had it. But the poor thing tripped off the banister, and all of the mesh and the ornaments that he had, they just all fell into the tree. And they just sort of cascaded down. At least they hit the tree and didn't hit the floor like mine did. And this little guy, oh, he was trying to be the most helpful of all. He had lights and he tried to help me put them on the tree, but he got all tangled up and they never really made it to the tree. And this particular tree was a tree that was not pre-lit, and it took me and my husband about 2 days to put lights on it. So I wish he really could have helped us out a little bit more. Well, YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, and I am so thankful that you joined me today. This is my first video, my first time on YouTube, and I wanted to share with you the theme that I was doing for Christmas this year, which was incorporating the Hobby Lobby elves into my decor. When I saw them at Hobby Lobby, I knew that I had to take at least 1 or 2 home, and I started off with just 2, and I ended up going back and buying 2 more because I thought this would be a cute way to showcase them by putting them in the tree and also showing them decorating the tree. And they were also the inspiration for the colors that I used this year in my tree, which ended up being champagne, rose gold, pink, the blush pink actually, champagne again, white, and burgundy. I think the colors turned out really nice, and the elves added that whimsical touch that I was looking for. So let me know what you think. Just to tell you a little bit about the space, this is my entry hallway into my home, and it's actually a new home. We just moved in a few weeks ago, and the first thing we wanted to do was decorate for Christmas, as we plan to have the whole family over. And these lanterns that I have, these were just a few items that I placed in them just pretty much for the video. They'll probably find a new home here probably in a short period of time as I complete my decorations for Christmas, and also my decorations for going forward in this new house and then in this new space. So I won't really talk about them. I just kind of want to show you the elves again, and also the colors of the tree. And I'm not completely finished with the tree. I still have a lot of work to do on it, but I wanted to get this video out so that anyone who's interested in using the elves would actually see a whimsical and fun way to help them to make Christmas fun, especially for children, and in our case, for grandchildren. Now, this particular area is another area of the entry hallway. It leads actually into the dining area, and this is more of an adult area, and I wanted to go with the kind of Hollywood glam, our Christmas glam, but also I wanted to showcase one thing, which is blessed, because the fact that we're just moving into this home and the fact that the kids are going to possibly be here for Christmas, as a family, we always feel blessed. And I'm blessed that you're watching this video and having a chance to kind of share this journey into this new home throughout this Christmas time, and hopefully I'll be releasing more videos and I'll have a new YouTube family. In this particular clip of the video, or part of the video, I wanted to share with you something that we did mainly for the grandchildren. A lot of times I've seen people decorate the top of the stair rails, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. But we have a lot of small grandchildren. In fact, we have 13 grandchildren altogether, and quite a few of them are still small, and they have to hold on to the rails when they climb the stairs, and we really encourage that for safety. So this year I decorated the bottom of the stair rail. Where I used to live, I decorated the top of the stair rail, and the children would touch it. It would prick their fingers, or they would end up knocking the the garland off. So this year I just wanted to do something a little different and decorate the bottom, and it turned out really nice and it looks amazing. So with the colors of the tree, the garland and everything going up the bottom of the stair rail, and with the elves, I think that it turned out actually better than I could have expected. And here's a close-up later in the evening with the lights all on. It really looks pretty. I hope you think so too. There are my little helpers again. Aren't they adorable? So just in case you would like to know where I got all of my items for my tree, all of the mesh and the flowers and the picks all came from a local store in Southaven, Mississippi. The store is called House to Home. All of the ornaments were from Hobby Lobby, and the tree is from Hobby Lobby, and as I mentioned earlier, the elves are all from Hobby Lobby. And the other items that you see, like the mirrored box around the tree, that's a DIY that I did. And again, here's my little Hobby Lobby elf. Let's focus in on him as he prepares to say goodbye, because we're ending the video. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And as I stated, it's called Weekends with Mimi, and I do plan to share more videos in the upcoming weeks, months, prayerfully years. And still, I'll also like to encourage everyone to always remember how blessed you are, because I'm blessed to have started this channel. I'm blessed to start this new chapter of my life in a new area, moving into a new city, a new community, and into a new state. And I hope to take this journey with you. Please tune in the next time. Subscribe and like this video if you would like to see more of what we're doing with the house. Come take this journey with us and enjoy the Weekends with Mimi.